Namaste, friends. Thank you all so much for joining for the first three sessions on our Uni5 Eco-Friendly Products course. Our next session will be on natural dishwash options. I'm so glad to share with you all about this new product, which is actually an all-purpose natural cleaner, and it is so beautiful to appear. It cleans so well. It doesn't have any unwanted growths like SCOBY or CAM yeast. Then it requires very less water to use. It is made using very easily available ingredients, and it requires very less time and effort to make this product. It doesn't affect us in any way, completely safe to us as well as to our environment. Who doesn't want such a cleaner, right? So let us all join during the coming Sunday, that is 26th of June at 6:30 a.m. PST and 7 p.m. IST. Thank you all so much.